You can see in the world now women are taking the lead role. Why women? As Margaret Thatcher said. What Margaret Thatcher is said? If you want anything, just say to the men. If you want any work done, ask women. The women, we are dedicated, committed. Once we are dedicated our work, we'll do it. So always the women, and the women have that capacity. They can manage the home with the children, husband and the families. So they can do it, the women. The man ego is there everywhere. But mentally we have to be very strong. Then only we can achieve. Yeah? Men, they think they're only the leaders. But still it is there, whether it is the African culture or any other culture, the men, they said they're the only the leaders. So that ego, it is there. But mentally, when we are mentally strong, yes, we can do it. We can handle it with a lot of patience. In Kenyan law, there is, if you see the land, most of them only the men are owning that one. Where is the ladies there? Very little, very less percentage is the women that they are owning the land. So we have to encourage them. We have to give them a lot of importance. Even the education, we have to encourage the girls. But whereas everyone, they encourage the boys, not the girls. It is the religion is our identity. Yeah? All the religions, if you see all the holy books, they're talking about what? Unity, togetherness. Yeah? But only some people, they are manipulating the things. If as a religion, all the religions in the Inter-Religious Council of Kenya, 9 religious bodies will sit together, whether it is the environment, whether it is the health, whether it is the education, whether it is the women empowerment, we all sit together and we all talk about, but all the holy books are saying the same. When the baby is there, they have to start in the mother tongue. And babies, they can absorb more than 6-7 languages. It is scientifically proven, the child, they can absorb everything, whatever you teach them. Yeah. Anyway, they learn English in the schools, because of the subjects and but mother tongue, it has to learn from the grandparents and the parents. Their duty to teach them the mother tongue.
My name is Bimal Shah. I'm the MD for Broadway Bakery and Broadway Group of Companies. And we of course encourage a lot of employment. In the last 1 year, we have taken in more than 200 people. We encourage the ladies, the female members of our society to take up the challenge, because as we know, a mother is a pillar of any family, is a pillar of the society, and without a mother or a sister, it is not easy for any community. So we encourage ladies to take up responsible positions, and we know that ladies are the pillars of any society.
And now when I'm talking about women empowerment, how can I possibly forget the boy child? The boy child here is also nurtured. Children from the age of 1 year actually are here every single evening. They get to be a part of the evening hymns, evening praise and worship. And you see, from the time they're born, they're part of the entire temple activities. So once they're growing up, they have these moral principles that are etched into their minds. So boy child, girl child, everybody in this temple has a place where they can come and get to learn about our religion, which is very important. When I'm talking about the girl child in the future is very bright because we see them taking up leadership roles now. Initially they used to be very hesitant, but now there's no fear. The girl child is coming out to be strong and assertive, and she's saying, I can do this. This is because of what our Guru has inspired in us. Pramukh Swami Maharaj and Man Swami Maharaj have inspired that in every girl child, that we are an equal to the boy child.
Our spiritual inspirer, Pramukh Swami Maharaj and Mahan Swami Maharaj have always inspired us and urged us, young women, to take leadership roles in our community. So I urge all the young ladies, all the young women to take up leadership roles, be courageous, and with that you can face the world. As a result, thousands of women have attained a prominent place in the socio-economic, environmental and cultural spheres of the world. His Holiness Pramukh Swami Maharaj's efforts towards women empowerment were not only path-breaking, but they were comprehensive as well.
Temple, we encourage people to live a moral life. We encourage people to live an addiction-free life. In this temple, we have assembly that happens every Sunday. We have youth activities, we have children activities in which we promote value-based life in this society. So we also do a lot of charity work here in Thika as well. We also are established everywhere across entire Kenya to do charity work across the nation even enter Africa, where believe in that where we stay, we should help the people that we are in engagement with. We also teach the kids how to have some kind of a engagement in social